Welcome to El Ateneo Grand Splendid in Buenos Aires, the most beautiful bookstore in the world. Okay, well, technically rated the second most beautiful bookstore in the world in 2008 by The Guardian, just behind the old Dominican church in Maastricht, Netherlands, which is rated number 1. But shut up, Guardian. Who's judging these bookstore beauty pageants anyway? It's my video, I make the rules, and this is the most beautiful bookstore I've ever been to, what was once the Teatro Grand Splendid, a theater that witnessed the likes of tango legends Carlos Gardel, Francisco Canaro, Roberto Firpo, and Ignacio Corsini, eventually shut down and was first repurposed into a movie theater in 1929, and then into a bookstore in 2000. The seats have been replaced by bookshelves, and the stage by a coffee shop, but the rest of the building has been carefully preserved to resemble the original theater. Just a short walk from El RECOLETA cemetery, it's now one of the most heavily visited tourist destinations in Buenos Aires, from bibliophiles who come to get a glimpse of the theater's old extravagance, now filled with their favorite pastime. Personally, I love the place because I'm a huge fan of repurposing old into new. Abandoned concrete plants into parks, old churches into homes, bankrupt shopping malls into apartment complexes, classic animated stories into live-action blockbusters. El Ateneo is a great example of repurposing a historic building into a modern use. Plus, I love books, but that's a topic for a different video.
¿Dónde está la biblioteca? Me llamo T-Bone, la araña discoteca.
Discoteca, muñeca, la biblioteca está en bigotes grandes, el perro manteca.
Manteca, bigote, gigante, pequeño, cabeza es nieve, cerveza es bueno.
Buenos días, me gustan papas frías, los bigotes de la cabra es Cameron Díaz.
Yeah!